was those brown eyes. It took my heart by surprise. Could this be real? Because I dreamt you, a chapter that I turned. Too good to be true was the way you made me feel. I needed you. I hope you can see. You made me complete, baby. I've searched high and low, mountain and sea, but now you're with me, my missing puzzle piece. My missing puzzle piece.
I remember how you approached me. It wasn't like anyone else in this world. Boy, I read you. I knew you were nervous from the first word. Tried to play it off, but baby, I heard your heart speaking of mine. In time, I knew
I needed you. I hope you can see.
Hope you can see.
Made me complete,
Made me complete, baby.
I've searched high and low, mountain and sea, but you're here with me, my missing puzzle
puzzle
piece.
piece.
My missing puzzle piece.
Ooh,
Oh,
oh, yeah, yeah.
and I'll cherish you, I'll cherish you, yes, I'll cherish you. No matter what may come,
Come,
I'ma stay with
you,
stay with
you. I'ma stay with you. I'll never leave you alone.
Yeah.
I
I've
said
searched high and low, mountain and sea,
but now you're with me, my missing puzzle piece.
my missing puzzle piece. My missing puzzle piece. My missing puzzle piece.
My missing puzzle piece.
My missing puzzle piece.
सो गाइज दिस इज़ द अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ djimicmini. होप सो आप सबको ये एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा लगा होगा, और इफ़ अगर आप सबको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट शेयर, और मैं बहुत जल्द एक नया व्लॉग लेके आने वाला हूँ. होप सो आप सबको वो भी अच्छा लगेगा, बिकॉज मुझे इस माइक को अच्छे से टेस्ट करना है, क्योंकि मैं अभी इनटू स्टोरी टेलिंग में जा रहा हूँ. तो बस फिलहाल आज के लिए बस इतना ही है। और तब तक के लिए आप प्लीज़ लाइक कमेंट और शेयर कीजिए मेरी इस वीडियो को। बाकी मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में बहुत जल्द। बाय बाय, टेक केयर।